India is planning to operate over 60 special flights in a week to bring back thousands of nationals stranded across the world. The flight operations will start from May 7th in a phased manner and on payment basis. According to the flight plan of the Ministry of External Affairs, 64 flights will be sent to the UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Malaysia, the UK, Singapore, Bangladesh, the Philippines, and the US to repatriate stranded Indians. India has sent 3 naval ships to evacuate Indians stranded in the UAE and Maldives. INS Jalashwa deployed off Mumbai coast along with INS Magar diverted for Maldives on Monday night. The INS Shardul diverted to Dubai to evacuate the expatriates. Human Resources Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced the dates for JEE Main and NEET. JEE Main will be held between July 18th and 23rd. NEET will be held on July 26th. The minister said that the decision to conduct the remaining papers of CBSE class 10th and 12th will be taken in a day or two. Pokhriyal suggested that students use the Diksha portal for online learning. Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, DG of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, said that it is not right to compare hydroxychloroquine and remdesivir because we do not know the efficacy of both of these drugs till now. He said which one is better can only be ascertained after trials. The Delhi Police Cyber Cell have apprehended a 15-year-old boy in connection with the private Instagram chat group where underage boys from prominent Delhi schools shared pictures of girls from their social media accounts and passed crude and sexually explicit comments on them, even resorting to rape threats. The police has lodged an FIR in connection with the matter as well. So far, names of 4 private schools from South Delhi and 1 from Noida have been linked to the group. Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee, in a video interaction with Rahul Gandhi, discussed the economic fallout of the coronavirus crisis. This is the second installment of the Congress leaders' discussion series that began with renowned economist Raghuram Rajan last week. Banerjee said India needs a bigger stimulus package and money should be put in the hands of people to revive demand. The interministerial central team that visited Kolkata, Howrah and certain other districts in West Bengal to assess the ground situation in tackling coronavirus reported that the state had the highest mortality rate for the disease in the country and blamed it for low testing, weak surveillance and discrepancies in reporting cases. The IMCT, however, noted improvements in the situation in Bengal since April 30th. At the same time, it highlighted the non-cooperation by the state bureaucracy. Petrol and diesel became more expensive in the national capital on Tuesday after the Delhi government hiked the value-added tax on auto fuels. The increase in fuel prices was to the tune of Rs 1.67 for petrol and Rs 7.10 per litre for diesel. The consumer now has to shell out Rs 71.26 and Rs 69.39 for every litre of petrol and diesel respectively in Delhi.